Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time watching, you are welcome to our nation. You are welcome to our nation. If you can't tell already, I'm super excited to film this look because I'm looking pink. Yes, glowing for the gods. Anyway, I had so much fun filming this video, even though this is my second time filming it. Yes, I had to wipe down the whole thing and film it a second time. Long story, Nepa and their brouhaha. But anyway, we made it. I'm coming to you with this green smoky eyes and yeah, my natural hair. Yes, this is what it looks like. All right, so if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? Oh yeah, subscribe. Oh yeah, subscribe. This is how I'll be dancing for you every week till you subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe and hit the notification bell right beside the subscribe button so that you get notified once I upload a video. And let's get started. Hey, what is this? Let's start. For my transition color, I'll be taking my Sigma E40 blending brush. I'm so excited, guys. This is my first time. This is my first Sigma brush. I'll be taking this shade right here called Orb. Taking this shade right here called Toast, I'll be applying that on my crease, and I'll be using the Coastal Scents BR250 brush. I'm just taking that color and I'll apply that slightly lower than where I applied the first transition color. Using my Morphe M411 brush, I'll be blending out that color I just applied. Mixing these two shades, Fawn and Brunette, I'll be applying that on my crease to darken it up and make it look a bit more smoky. Using my Morphe M330 brush, I'll take the transition color we used earlier and I'll blend that on my crease to soften the harsh lines. Next up, I'll be taking my black gel liner and a lip pencil brush, and I'll be applying that all over my lid just to give my green shadow, which is the star of the show, something to stick to, as well as make it look appear more vibrant. So I'll do that and you can see. Mixing these two shades right here, Toast and Brunette. I'm using my Morphe E36 brush. It's a tiny brush. It looks like a pencil brush, but it's a bit more fluffier. Well, not fluffier, but it has a bit more movement and it's great for detail and precision blending. I'll be mixing those two shades and I'll use it to blend out the harsh line we have right here. Guys, can you notice the difference between this eye that we've blended out and this one? So if you notice, we've lost a bit of color, we've lost a bit of that gel liner towards the lid area, so I'll go back in and take the gel a little bit upwards to get to my crease, my actual crease. the start of the show, I'll be applying this green shade right here, and I'll be using a flat eyeshadow brush, and I'll just pick up that pigment and pack it onto my lid. So I'll just pat this. Ooh, guys, do you see that? Wow, see, it makes the color look more vibrant. Look even more yummy, I'll be using my loose glitter. This is by Endless Beauty USA. It doesn't have a shade name, but this is their green glitter and the LB glitter glue. Now I'll be applying that to spice it up even more. Next up, I'll be taking the shade Pure from the same palette, and I'll be applying that in my inner corner. I'll be taking these 3 blending brushes with the products left on it, and I'll be blending that on my lower lash line. Taking this shade from the Zaron Eye eyeshadow palette, I'll be applying that on my brow bone area using a flat shader brush. I'll use my gel liner, and I'll be lining my waterline with that. Using my Milani Eye Tech Liquid Extreme Liner, I'll be lining my eye. For my mascara, I'll be using my Maybelline Volume Express Colossal Mascara. I'll be applying my falsies. This is the Voan Beauties 5-in-1 Delicious pack of deliciousness. That's the name. I'll do that off camera and I will be right back. Using my LA Girl Pro Concealer, and I'll just highlight my face. And for contour, I'm using the Black Opal Stick Foundation. I'm blending that out with a damp beauty blender. To set my contour, I'll be using my Ben Nye banana powder to set my highlights. My contour, I'll use my Zaron loose powder in the shade LZ25. It's darker than me considerably. I'll be dusting off the excess powder with this. For highlights, I'm using my Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter. First time using it. It's unfortunate a bit of it got broken. Like, can you see that glow? Check me out. Yes! Alright guys, so here is the completed look. I'm feeling myself. Hey, I'm feeling myself. If you don't have the Maybelline highlighter in your kit, what are you waiting for? You are darling. You are darling. Anyway, so this is the look. Thank you so very much for watching. Thank you for sticking with me to this time. Excuse the loud sound in the background. The gen is on. NEPA just took lights as per usual, but they will not affect my greatness. I am done filming and this is my outro. So thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.